Honey?
Honey, you're welcome. I'm even going out now. See.
Jesus!
Why are you shaking your head? What is going on?
This word is a small word.
Indeed, it's a small word. You know, they say that the world is a global village. You know, the help of social media now makes everybody to...
That's not what I'm talking about.
So what are you talking about?
Do you know this girl?
I don't know her. I've not seen her before.
So you're still dating this girl, despite everything.
Apostle, we hear of this.
Eh?
Man!
Anyways, she came to my company today in search of job. Hey! She's not my new secretary. I just want to let you know.
That one we are not going to tolerate at all. At all. At all. I've said